Okay, so in this video we're looking at 2018 Further Maths Exam 1, and we're looking at some recursion and financially modelling questions. And first up, we're looking at questions 17 and 18, and as you can see, it's an annuity investment that after n years we'll get a VN value, and we can model it using this recurrent relationship given here. And just as a reminder, that means it's V0 equals, and I've got a number, comma, VN plus 1 equals, and you've got your final part of your relationship there. Okay, so the first question is, the key point here is, what is the value of the regular payment? So when I look at this equation, what is my regular payment? That regular payment is at 500 there. So that means when I look at my answers, I am going to look at here and go D, because that's the part that's basically you're paying each payment period, and you're going to have $500 going in. So that's your regular payment. Now, question 18. We're looking at between the second and third years, the increase in the value of this investment is closest to. Now, so when we look at this, when we say second, that's V2, and then third is V3. So you're going to have to calculate V1 because we've already got V0. And so that is where your calculator comes in handy, because I've prepared this little thing earlier. So what we can see is I just type 46,000. So this is where your entry part is. I've typed in 46,000, press enter. So now you go 46,000 times, in your calculator you would have written 46,000, press enter, that gives you that. Now you just go times 1.034 plus 500. And because it's looking at, it keeps that previous answer from there, so that's where that 46 comes from. And I just need to press that a couple times. So basically V0, V1, V2, V3. All right, so what's the increase in value between when I go from V2 to V3? How do I get that? That's the difference between those two numbers. So it's going to be V3 minus V2. And when I do that, I'll get an answer of 661. So my answer in this case is C. All right. So when I go to the next question, okay, what we're looking at here, Daniel borrows 5,000, which he intends to repay fully in a lump sum after 1 year. There's going to be an annual interest rate in a compounding period. Now we've got 5 different interest rates, and two different compounding periods. Okay, so first off, I'm going to look at loans 1 to 3, and the reason I'm doing that is because the compounding period of those 3 is the same. So of those 3, I can narrow it down to loan 1 being give me the least amount of money. Okay, of those 3, keep that in mind. When I go to loan 4 and 5, they've both got the same compounding period, so I can look at those two together, and I can see that 12.7 is lower than 13.2, so I'm going to rule out loan 5. All right, so that means at this point, loan 1 and loan 4 are my 2 choices. Now, don't be too premature here and look at this and go, oh, that means it's going to be loan 1 because it's got 12.6 there. Don't do that. Make sure you calculate it and check it, okay? Because this is what happens when you calculate it and check it. So I've got my 52, that is my weekly. Okay, so that means this is loan 1. And here I've got my 4, so that is my loan 4. Remember, I'm only looking at those 2 because I don't need to do all 5. All right, and as you can see, look at the 2 values there. This one is the smallest number of the 2, it's the lowest number, so that's the least amount of money. So I look at, that means loan 4, so my answer in this case is D. All right, so I'll finish there, and I'll be doing some more videos in these as well. Okay, thanks.